Let's be real for a second. If you feel tired all the time, unmotivated, lost, it's probably not because you're lazy. It's because of your habits. Bad habit 1. Endless. Scrolling. Scrolling isn't relaxing anymore. You scroll when you're bored, you scroll when you're anxious, you scroll even when you hate it, hours disappear, and nothing in your life changes. That's not rest, that's escape. Bad habit 2. Avoiding real conversations. You'd rather text than talk. Send memes instead of feelings. Sit next to family, silently. Avoiding conversations feels easier until loneliness hits at 2 a.m. Bad habit 3. Procrastinating life. I'll start tomorrow. I still have time. I'm young. But time doesn't wait. Dreams don't expire suddenly. They fade slowly. Bad habit 4. Comfort over growth. Staying up late, skipping workouts, eating junk, ignoring goals. Comfort feels good now, but it quietly steals your future. Hard truth. No one is coming to save you. Not motivation, not luck, not a viral moment. Your life changes only when your habits do. How to build good habits. Don't overhaul your life. Swap habits. Scroll less. Read or learn for 10 minutes. Late nights, sleep 1 hour earlier, avoid talks, have one real conversation daily. Junk food, 1 healthy meal a day, no movement, 15-minute walk, small actions, daily repetition. That's how identity changes. Why good habits work. When you build better habits, your anxiety drops, your focus improves, you feel in control, your confidence grows, your future feels exciting again. Discipline doesn't trap you, it frees you. Imagine becoming the version of you that doesn't hate their reflection, the one who shows up, the one who follows through, the one your younger self believed in. That person isn't far. They're built, one habit at a time. Call to action. So today, choose one habit, not 10. 1. Start there, because the life you want is on the other side of the habits you keep avoiding. You're not behind, you're just getting started.